Here we have the Levo Cosy Corner. This can be fitted onto a motorhome and also onto a caravan. Nice and easy to set up. First, we'll just slide the canopy into the rail. Get it into the position where you want to place it. On this occasion, we're going to have it over the door area. Just 3 poles, 1 leg pole and 2 roof poles. And start with the leg pole, slightly extend it out. Got the spike on the top. Just go through the eyelet. Extend that out slightly more. Then you have the 2 roof poles. First one for the corner has got the tectum coupling on it, and this will just go into a pocket which is sewn into the Cosy Corner. I'll click the tectum coupling into place, tension that out. Onto the second pole, one with a hook, one with a flat edge, into the pocket. Slide the other one through. And that has a hook which will just slot into the tectum coupling. Final tension. And then on your leg pole, you've got the foot at the bottom, which will go onto your regulator tab, flat edge against. And then you just need to peg it out. Starting at your back corner. Peg the rest of the side, and there you have the Levo Cosy Corner.